This is a rule I see a lot of businesses breaking, and it's the rule of three. And businesses that have complex sales process or complex pricing are at a disadvantage, because when people are confused, they procrastinate. And when they procrastinate, they don't make a decision that says yes. And so, I've seen golf clubs that have 19 different memberships. You go to a RV dealership where you get RV overload right away because they show you so many models. In any business, no matter what you're selling, narrow it down to three choices. So we got a bottom end choice, a mid-range choice, and a high-range choice. Or if let's say you want to sell lots, you've got to say, okay, here's an expensive lot, and it's not that great. Here's an expensive lot, and it's good, but it's expensive. Here's a lot that's in between that is a good value and a good price. That type of pricing, packaging, and positioning is what will get you the best results, by having three different options. Now, if you do have a very complex product where they've got to make multiple decisions, let's say you've got 9 different pricing options, what you've got to do is narrow it down to 3. Okay, let's take a look. Well, you've got a choice of A, B, or C to start. Then when they go A, B, and C, there's another 3 choices, A, B, C, and then there's another 3 choices, A, B, C. Break your packaging down till they never have to make a decision about more than 3 things at once, and you will greatly enhance your marketing.